Hi, I'm Bruce Myer with Coldwell Banker. I'd like to welcome you to beautiful Bird Key. People move to Florida for its amazing outdoor lifestyle and stunning tropical waters. Bird Key is a luxurious island community perfectly situated on the water between downtown Sarasota and Lido Key. With 3.1 square miles of pristine water flowing through and around the 300-acre island, it's perfect for those who love everything that waterfront living offers. The luxurious bayfront and deepwater canal homes can accommodate the largest of vessels. And garden homeowners still have access to a world-class yacht club and marina just down the street. You can still enjoy the waterfront lifestyle even if you don't own a boat, because Bird Key Park is just a short walk across the street, and the pristine Gulf waters of Lido Beach are just a bike ride away. Bird Key is the ultimate in luxurious waterfront living, because when you live here, you truly are on an island. I'm Bruce Myer with Coldwell Banker. See you on the Key.